What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day, great week. Today is the day of the Sicgear truck meet, and I got Mr. That Wide bow tie back there. He came here last night. We filmed a little bit, hung out, picked up my truck, and right now we are about to head over to Bojangles because, you know, Mr. That Wide bow tie, you know, that's all he eats, just Bojangles. So we're gonna stop there, get some breakfast, and then head over to Costco, get some few things, and then we'll head over to Columbia, South Carolina. It's about an hour and a half from my house. It'll be about an hour from Costco.
Let's get this bread.
Bojangles check, Costco check. We are on the way to Lexington, South Carolina. It's only about an hour from here, so not a bad drive at all. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. We've arrived at the truck meet location, which is White Knoll High School. There's literally nobody here because it's only 12:30. Meet doesn't start till 5:30. We got about 5 hours to get set up.
What a bad dad.
What?
I'm sorry, hey, you left me.
Were you supposed to get your son?
He's at the house playing video games.
Oh,
Hey, we left Kenneth. We left.
We left everybody. So Kenneth was supposed to work today, but last night when we were hanging out, he decided that he wasn't going to go to work because he, you know, obviously sick. But this morning, me and Alex, we totally forgot that we were supposed to call him, which I don't know if we were supposed to call him. I don't remember. But he texted me when I got here. He's like, "Hey, where y'all at?" And we're like, "We're already in Columbia."
Rolling up.
Look, that's Sicgear.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah, Sicgear's already here. Dude, perfect timing. So we gotta figure out how we're gonna post up, but let's see if they see it. Yeah, behind the scenes, it's like 90 degrees right now, but the breeze here is solid. It's like, it almost feels like we're at the lake or at the beach or something. That breeze doesn't even feel that hot.
Beautiful venue.
Yeah, dude, this is a perfect place. I'm really excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
We got the Sicgear boys. What's up, buddy?
What's going on? You have any idea what we're setting up and everything?
No, that's what we're trying to figure out right now.
What's going on? Doing all right?
Put him in the video. 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 He's walking away. He's walking away.
Hashtag David in the video.
It is 2:20. About 2 hours away from all the VIPs start rolling in. I mean, we are pretty much all set up. My truck is right there. I did a quick detail on it. I mean, it's not perfect. It's got rock chips. Not gonna try to hide it. The most important part is that the lift kit is done. And up next, we're gonna do some wheels and tires. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow the content because we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this truck in the next few months.
No, it's not.
No, I'm not. I lied. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I just want that subscription from you guys. All right, so, I mean, we got cornhole set up. Registration tent, and that, I mean, that's where we're gonna be like hanging out generally, me and Mark. Got my truck. That is Scotty from Sicgear. Sicgear trailer is right there. That is David from Sicgear, and this is that narrow bow tie.
The loaf mobile.
The loaf mobile. Yo, who's here? Who's here?
My mother.
Your mother's here.
My mother's here.
Oh, the snowball guy is here.
Snowball guys here.
Dude, out of all the balls, those are my favorite. Snowballs.
I like balls.
Yeah. But those are my favorite, snowballs. Alright, so y'all might recognize this truck, you might not. Oh, look who it is.
You're already vlogging, bro.
Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up, man? Wow. Sick invite to have our cameras out, huh?
Do what?
Sick yeah, why aren't you filming?
Dude, he's got the 80D, I got the smaller
sick
D.
invite. Smaller D. Wow.
It isn't. What? Oh, it would.
Sorry, this isn't allowed here.
Huh?
It's a truck meet.
I know it's a truck meet, but I
It's
had
not a razor meet, it's a truck meet.
This thing, I'll outrun half the trucks here, I'll tell you what. Fine all day long.
Oh, for sure.
All day long.
There's gas there all day.
Are those rough country shocks or what?
Yeah, really.
It's a toy.
Anybody got any WD-40?
You wanna go for a ride?
In it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me finish helping with the table real quick. Well, yeah, come on. You want to see what it's got?
Wait, can Alex like stand up here?
Oh yeah, but he won't be able to hold on. Yeah, I don't
It's right here.
I'd rather not die today.
Alright, let's go.
Just sit on your lap.
Okay. Got a seatbelt on this thing or what?
Yeah, if you want to go fast, you gotta have a seatbelt on.
Alright. And then we got a oh shit bar right here. Dude, I feel like I'm in a roller coaster.
Oh, it's a roller coaster for sure. So we got an ice cream truck.
Yep, we got snowballs. I think like 2 barbecues.
Oh, that's gonna be
Yeah, it's
dope.
legit.
I'm glad they got food here.
Oh yeah.
All right, you want to feel what kind of power this thing has?
Let's do it. Pop a wheelie. Damn. That was like what, half the throttle?
Yeah, it gets it. Hear it break
Damn.
loose?
What?
Hear it break loose?
Yeah. Dang. Dude, I was not expecting that at all. I gotta find out how much it is. I want one now.
It's too expensive. I won't buy another one, that's for sure. Then four-wheel drive though,
Yeah.
it's ridiculous. It's got all that pull. It just soars off the line. It tops out at 80.
Damn, really?
Yeah,
Dang.
they're crazy.
80. That's insane.
And this is the regular model. It's not the turbo.
Okay.
The turbo is what's crazy. The turbo makes 50 horsepower more.
Damn. The guy said pick a color. I mean, should we give him camo? You like camo?
That works.
All right, we'll do that. That's the exclusive hat too.
Exclusive.
Yeah. What? There's only 5 in the world. Just kidding. There's more than 5. Red Gang straw hats. All right, Braden said he wants the camo, so we're gonna hit him up with the camo Dirty Max Mafia. Special delivery. There you go.
Sweet!
Quicker than Amazon Prime.
Yeah, way quicker than Amazon Prime. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. I record everything. Damn, it's dark in here, bro. Yeah, we about to go get something to eat because we're starving. We haven't eaten since Bojangles this morning, so
That was good.
it was good. We got that bread this morning and about to get more bread.
A few moments later.
Let's go.
Here's the ordeal. Y'all are getting the dirty road trip brake price truck, okay?
Well, it's a Dirty Max.
I
so
know. So it's got the weather text, okay? You got color matched everything, a little bit of blue accents, metallic black stuff.
okay.
Go ahead and get some of that. We got more trash in the back, a GoPro because you never know, and sub box, 2 10-inch Method subs. Amp is right there. Yes, these aren't supposed to fold down. I didn't latch them right whenever I bolted the seats back down. I'm too lazy to fix it. But hey, it makes good access to the amp.
Yeah.
Color matched everything back here as well.
Say what? Oh,
Color matched everything
color matched.
back here as well. You got a sunroof. It's nice. Leather, it wipes, okay? Obviously gotta have 4-wheel drive. Yeah, that's it for interior. You got
Gassers.
I know, gas
Freaking
trucks.
gassers, right?
Gas trucks.
Gotta gas. That's like so 2007.
Right.
So, we got built custom headlights by who I don't know.
Came
We
with the
got
truck.
color match stuff everywhere. Metallic black. Ignore the paint peeling. Just also ignore the dead bugs. I got halos in the headlights, but I don't know how they work. So that's.
Are you sure this is your truck?
Look, it's kind of new, okay?
You genuinely don't know like how to turn them on.
I do not know how to turn them on.
Have you tried on like the turn on button?
Actually, technically, mine's the same. I have color changing LED bulbs in the front of mine, and
All
I don't know how to make them work. So.
Look at, you gotta look at all these switches down here. There's a crap ton of them, so, you know.
They came with the truck?
Yeah. The wheel lights,
Nice.
underglows.
Hey, that looks pretty professional though.
You haven't just
Yeah,
spent the day
I like
and
it.
fooled around?
Why didn't you ask the guy that sold it to you?
Well, because it was from a guy in Michigan and they shipped it down to Georgia to
yeah.
the dealership. He actually sold it in an auction and bought a BMW. Stupid expensive car. The Cognito leveling kit, 22 by 12s. What are they? Steel forged, freshly polished and still just so ugly. 33s.
I feel like this is like show and tell. We're just kind of walking around.
Yeah, got the dirt bike in the back because it's Braden Price, you know.
Who's Braden Price?
I don't know. But look at these tail lights. They're gnarly.
Jeffy's.
Wait, this is from Canada? You're Canadian?
No, I'm really not. I just haven't got that taken out yet.
Don't see that?
I don't know who built them. Don't ask. Favorite part on the truck, by far, is going to be the color matched bumper with the metallic black and blue.
I do like that.
Other than it really sucks to stand on it because you take the risk of chipping.
True.
There's a lot of flaws, okay? So over here, we got a big old scratch in it when they shipped it down to the dealership.
Oh, that's perfect scratch right there.
Yep, so I got to get some stuff repainted and fixed.
That's a love scratch right
And
there.
brand new tires, I assume, huh?
They're somewhat new. They lasted about a week.
Burnouts.
So, yeah, something like that. It just has so much power, you know, you can't
Yeah.
keep the traction to the ground.
Spinning at 120. Duramax.
So we got,
The Duramax. He's so much taller in person. Look at him. He's so cute.
we got Duramax 6.6 motor.
We got an engine in here. That's awesome.
Yep, we got a cold air intake.
Sounds just
Tunes by, who does my tunes?
PPI.
No, it was Custom Motor Op
I'm
Tunes.
assuming it's here somewhere.
Yeah, it probably is somewhere.
Keep.
We got
Nice.
no airbox cover because I dropped one of the bolts down into the engine bay somewhere, so it's gone.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's pretty basic.
This is
It
like-
dynoed at 500 flat.
quintessential YouTuber truck. I mean, it looks so good, but
It's a rag, dude. It's clapped out.
Is your speedometer in kilometers?
No,
No? Oh, I wasn't, because I wasn't sure if it was a Canadian truck.
no.
Dude, it's
Oh,
it's got a Canadian flag everywhere.
I know. Look, it had them on the mirrors right here.
Oh, you
but,
took it off? Oh, yeah, you can see that a little bit.
Ignore the other.
I like the
paint
little.
chip. Oh, and okay, you
Little
see
nub.
how the paint's really buffed off right here?
Yeah.
So I had like a 6x6 piece of cardboard come up and slap the truck going down the road.
Damn.
Like 2 days after I got it. And it kind of left up the paint a little bit, but it'll buff. It's okay. It'll buff. Exactly.
She's a big girl.
It'll buff.
It's like the best color GMB.
Fox shocks, because I guess that's just what he wanted to go with.
Yep.
I haven't really done anything to the truck. Other than wash it and put fuel in it. But I gotta get everything fixed and I'll probably start doing more things to it.
When you gonna lift it?
I don't know.
Come on, join the club.
I might drop it to the ground or lift it like 6 inches.
How about a 9-inch like that?
Dude, my leather seats would be gone. I gotta get amp steps for it too.
Yeah.
Amps for sure.
Grill pie.
Alright, I wanna see your truck.
All right.
Let me see the interior. I'm trying to
Interior?
scan the outside,
Oh,
right?
interior is just basic. You don't want to look inside.
I don't want to.
We actually just went to a dealership and bought this a couple days ago.
That's true.
We y'all stay tuned for that video. He just bought this truck a couple days ago.
Let's see here.
This is
Oh,
your
you got
L, no?
leather though.
Yeah, I do.
I thought it was a base model.
It's a Denali.
Some lady.
I didn't realize it. This says Denali, doesn't it?
It says Denali right there. You just thought I'd put a sticker on there or
I
whatever?
about bought 2012 Denali.
Yeah.
Now I decided to go with the 2015, the new body style. But now I'm broke.
tell me about your truck? Can you tell me about your truck?
Yeah, it's a 1929 Model 8.
Okay.
It's a roadster pickup truck. I bought it like it is. I didn't restore it. I bought it like it is because I wanted to drive it.
Yeah.
You know, and I drive it a lot.
Do you?
I drive it a lot. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. It's got 40 horsepower. The engine. It's got a 3-speed. It runs about 40 miles an hour. That's all you need. Yeah. Down the road you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can even throw your groceries in the back.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yes, sir.
One classic grocery getter.
Yeah. Yeah, I went to the grocery store and I came back out of the parking lot because there was nobody left in the store, and I was like, where's everybody going? I was out in the parking lot and they were all out there looking at my store.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, they're all out there.
Yep. It's a nice truck.
Yeah.
Cool. You got new wheels.
Hey man, I heard you going with Archon too.
I am.
I heard. Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
I'm glad you got them.
Hey Mark, look at all these people that showed up.
Ain't it?
Hey, what's up, bud?
What's up, man?
We got the guys from Golden Motors out here. What is this thing?
You spin if you review us, and you might win some.
Oh, that's cool.
Couple different things to win.
How do you enter?
You review
Scan
us
and
by
review.
scanning.
Oh, that's cool. That's a good idea. We got the Golden Motors, the Power Stroke that I actually like, and then the Duramax van that I really love. And then we got that 1500 with the, I think it's supercharged. Alright, right now we're just walking around with the guys from Golden Motors and Mark. We're looking at literally every single trucks that have been registered to give out trophies.
I like this one's clean.
Like this one?
Yeah.
This one's really clean. I like this one. Right. What number is 7?
Lucky number 7. You're good. You're good.
Good. Hot.
Alright guys, it's about 7:30. Donnie made it.
Just got here.
About an hour and a half late.
Yes.
16-hour drive, but he made it.
Yeah. A lot of traffic.
Oh yeah. All right, well, everybody headed out. We actually just finished cleaning up, and man, my whole body's like cramping up from like sweating all day and kind of dehydration. But yep, we had over 82 trucks. We had about 82 trucks registered for the show, and we also had like a few other people come in. So I think we had over like 150 trucks here, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much for all coming. Man, we are all exhausted, all ready to go home, but I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Like once again, thank you guys so much for all coming. I hope to do another one in October, so let me know in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.